Hello friends, this is Kausar Alam and I welcome to our channel which name is also Kausar Alam, and I'm going to teach you and also give some information about the new guidelines of YouTube, which is about community guideline strikes newly launched by YouTube for all YouTubers who post their videos on YouTube. So I request you all who are watching my video should watch completely so that you can learn without skipping any point. This is a little bit of confusing. That's why I request you all to view each and every point of this video so that you will not face any problem regarding the community guidelines strike which is launched newly by the YouTube. So without wasting any time, so I request you all to subscribe my channel so that whenever I upload any video you will get notification instantly and able to see my video as soon as possible. So let's start our video. So let's begin friends. New community guideline strike. On February 19, YouTube announced changes to the way he gives community guideline strikes. You may know that most people didn't mean to break the rules, so he is giving you a chance to understand what went wrong before you face more severe consequence. You will see these changes starting from February 25 on your channel. Let's learn what happens if you receive a strike. If a strike is issued, you will get an email and see an alert in your account channel setting with information about why your content was removed. For example, it can be content, sexual content or violence. If you receive a strike, make sure to review the reason your content was removed and you can learn more in the policy center so that it doesn't happen again. First strike. There are multiples of strikes YouTube will send for community guidelines. If you receive strike on your account, here's what happened. Let's learn. First strike. If YouTube send you first strike, account will one community guideline strike may be restricted from live streaming. What will happen in live streaming? Let's learn. If your account has been restricted from live streaming, you are prohibited from using another channel to live stream on YouTube. This applies for as long as the restrictions remain active on your account. Violation of this restriction is considered circumventions under our terms and conditions and may result in termination of your account. So you should know that your account can also be terminated. So in second strike, YouTube says if your account receives 2 community guideline strikes within 3 months period, you won't be able to post new content to YouTube for 2 weeks. You will be blocked on YouTube for 2 weeks for posting YouTube videos. If there are no further issue, full privilege will be restored automatically after 2 weeks period. Each strike will remain on your account and expire separately 3 months after it was issued. Note, there is something you should know. If your strike is related to violation of YouTube thumbnail policy, you will lose custom thumbnail privilege for up to 30 days. You know that when you post video, you try to customize your thumbnail and upload along with the video. You will be blocked with all that facilities from YouTube. Now next, third strike. if your account received 3 community guideline strike within a 3 months period, your account will be terminated. Directly YouTube will terminate your account. Now, how you can appeal strike? If you get strike, you can also appeal for the strike. There are certain procedure you can follow. If you think your content didn't violate YouTube community guidelines, you can appeal the strike on your account. What are the procedures? Let's learn. Appeal a community guideline strike. Follow the instruction to see detail about the strike in your account. Let's see what. First step. First of all, you will have to sign in YouTube from your computer, not with your mobile. You can also sign in with your mobile from some browser where you can change the mode to computer display. Okay, desktop view. Second step, click account icon and then Creator Studio as shown on the left side of the screen. Third step, in the left menu, click channel, status and features as shown here. You can see the red area on the left side of the screen. There is channel, and then below this you will find status and feature. After that you can see there are 2 community guideline strikes. Before this we show only copyright strikes status. Now YouTube have given community guideline strikes. After that, go to community guidelines section, status section. You will find that the reason behind is also given why YouTube have given you strike, and on the bottom of that you will find appeal this decision. You can also appeal here. Then click on the appeal section. You will allow to appeal your video, why this video have been given strike. So you will have to give brief description and then post it. After you submit an appeal, you will get an email from YouTube letting you know the result of your appeal request. One of 4 things may happen. After sending this mail, some reply may be happen from YouTube. Let's know what can be happen. Number 1, if YouTube find that your video did not violate the community guideline, he will reinstate it and remove the strike from your account. This is first thing. Secondly, in some instance it's possible that YouTube may remove the strike from your account but keep the video down. Third, also in some instance it's possible that YouTube may reinstance your video behind an age restrictions. This will happen if an violation is not found but the content isn't appropriate for all audience, like you can say below 18, that type of content. Okay. Next, fourthly, if YouTube find that your video was in violation of his community guideline, he will upload and strike and the video will be remain down from the site. You may appeal each video strike only once. If YouTube uphold his original decision on the strike, you won't be able to appeal future strike on your account for a period of 60 days. These are the things you should know, and hope you are completely aware of this. So thanks for watching this video.